Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So guys, in today's video I have a unboxing today. It's a double unboxing. So here's the shopping bag in here. So I don't know which one's which, and also this is a newest mini pochette. So the first one is I saw this one, I think that was 2 months ago or something. So like I said, I don't know which one's which, guys, so we just open it. Let's put this seat aside. Of course, I finally visited them. You know, some of like I mentioned on my Hermes Tuwali unboxing, that there's nothing that I like, but this one, when I saw this one on the website, and I said, maybe I will consider get this one. And tell me, guys, if this item it's worth it. I guess some of you know what it is. Oh, so this to the first one. So the first one, guys, I purchase a travel guide. This time is in a Tokyo. I was debating if it's Tokyo or Singapore, and since I love to go to Tokyo, so I decided to get a Tokyo. And next time I will get the Singapore, because that's the place we always like to go. Every time we go to Philippines, me and my partners always stop over in there just to have at least 2 nights. So at least we enjoy a little bit of our vacation time before we go to the Philippines, visit the family. So this time has a plastic in it, and my SA, she's so lovely. So let me open to you guys. You know, I've been collecting, actually it's right here on the side, and actually it's not bad price, like I said, and it's nice to have in a coffee table. And I love that it's pink, dark pink. The London one, it's a light pink, and the Paris is like a light blue. So looks like, smells like new to me, because it's still in a plastic. So everything is about in Japan, guys, and they have like this, the sticky. So yeah, maybe if ever we go to Tokyo, I will bring this one and read on the airplane or somewhere where to go. So yeah, that's the first one. So the main item is this one, and by the way, my essay gave me a lot of free, because I asked her if it has a new sample fragrance, so at least I can try. So this is the so there's 9 in here, guys. 9 sample of perfume that she gave me. I don't want to open one by one of this because it's gonna be a long. I just want to do it quick. So that's the inside. Of course. Find a way that I don't have to you know what, I just open this, that I don't have to do this ribbon. So are you guys ready? So the item is, as I mentioned, this is the newest mini pochette, and I also said that I will not get any of a mini pochette, but this one, guys, like I said, please comment below if this one it's worth it. So of course it always come with this dust bag, and the item is, you know, as mini pochette. Ta-da! This is imprint leather color combo. It's a black and a beige or a white color. I really love this one. I saw this one on the website. That's why I went right away on the weekend on my local boutique store here in my local area. So I said, go in there, get a lock. If there's nothing in there, it's not for me. So I went there. I have to wait, by the way, 40 minutes before getting, because every time I go there, it's so a lot of people queuing and line, and only two people can serve you there. I mean, at least 3 or 4, but some people are there for like a group of 4, so they're trying to make a social distancing. So yeah, there she is, guys. Look at that. Isn't she cute and pretty color? And I already complete my mini pochette. I don't have a monogram, so this is my monogram, even though it's not a canvas material, but at least on the imprint leather. I really love that it is really like a thick leather material, and it's not really like very soft, it's more like a hard. So this is the inside, the lining, it's dark as well, same as outside. And you know, this is a textile card, and this one is made in France. And my SA told me it's only 5 in the UK have this. So when she told me, and I said like, you know what, go girl, get that one. Even though I got so many, I got caught too many pochette, but this is the imprint leather. So the print of the Louis Vuitton Paris is gold, made in France, guys. It's quite fade, and I love this. I wanted the pink one, but even though my EC told me that it has available the pink, but I'm not really sure about that pink color. But they said I just wait for this come out the other color. So God, is so pretty. It is quite stiff though, the material. I mean, it's really hard and good for this. I'm not sure about this one over here. So this side, it has wrinkles, but when I'm stretching out, it's okay. So yeah, I can't wait to try this one. And also it's dark, and look at that, it's so soft. I don't know what is the name of this. I know this is imprint leather, but they have a collection, name of the collection for this. And I'm looking, guys, that where is that code? Is this the newest one, like a cheap, what do you call that one? I forgot. So I cannot find any serial number of this anymore. Maybe this is their newest. They were talking about they were exchanged this microchip, something like that. I don't know where they can put that microchip thingy is, because I'm looking at it, feeling it, if there is something. Yeah, I don't see one. I mean, how would you know it has a microchip for this? I mean, let me see on the receipt, guys. The receipt is on my bag. So yeah, it's so weird because I don't see in any serial code. And this is their latest mini pochette. So maybe that's new. They have a microchip on here somehow or somewhere here that I don't really see, or where did it put. So yeah, I don't feel anything in here if it's just microchip. So yes, guys, that's it for my unboxing today. And this is my adding of my travel guidebook one already. So I started collecting some of it, the one I wanted to go, and also the place that I went into. So yeah, this is so pretty. So anyway guys, comment below if what you think, if it's worth it for this to keep or not. So again, thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.